And when you get to the point where all you want to do is be successful, as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. And I'm here to tell you, number one, that most of you say you want to be successful, but you don't want it bad. You just kind of want it. You don't want it bad and then you want to party. You don't want it as much as you want to be cool. Most of you don't want success as much as you want to sleep. Some of you love sleep more than you love success. And I'm here to tell you today, if you're going to be successful, you gotta be willing to give up sleep.
Get your ass out my way. Get your ass out my way. Get your ass out my way. Record.
I am.
Get the out for me! Man, get out the way, man! Press 911.
Max, call. Max, call.
I am with honey. What is he doing? Walmart on Sprague. Yeah, I'm at the actually at the intersection of Sprague and lock your door. Sprague, you got the
That.
What you doing?
This is her car.
This is not her car. This is not her car.
Dad!
Get out of the car. Get out of the
This is not her car. This is not her car.
Dad. Dad.
Hold this.
Sit down.
Hello, we need help. Hey, man, you. Dad, go.
Oh, Dad. Dad. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my. No.
Get out of my way.
Oh my God.
Dad, go.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God, oh my God. Dad. Oh my gosh, oh my God.
It with bikes. I can't see anything. They're using bikes to hit my car. They're trying to open my doors. I got 2 kids in the car with me. My name is Lee Allen. I drove off because they're hitting my car and I feel threatened for my life. They said my car is hitting my car.
Oh my God.
Yes, I am. I'm headed west on Sprague towards the McDonald's.
Oh my God, no, Dad. Oh my God. Oh my God. The door. Daddy's on a motorcycle.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I got about 6 people attacking my car. Somebody just rolled on my car.
No, Daddy.
They're hitting my car with motorcycles and bicycles. I got a...
Max, Daddy's behind you.